Welcome to Jen Bell Yoga. I'm Jen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use myofascial techniques to release the muscles all around your neck. I don't think I've met a single person who hasn't had one of those days where they're like, oh, my neck is so sore. I slept on it wrong. There are so many different reasons why your neck might be sore. Sometimes it's due to stress or the cold lifting your shoulders up towards your ears. And then we find ourselves using our hands to help massage our upper traps and the muscles in our neck. But oftentimes that leaves the other side lifting up and also getting tight. So one of my favorite things to do is to use a massage ball, or you can use a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball, to release the muscles in the neck. It helps keep both of the shoulders moving away from the ears. So especially if you had one of those nights where you slept wrong and both sides of your neck hurt, you can get a little release and a little relaxing in. To do this, you're going to need a ball and then a door jamb or a corner where your two walls meet. Grab them and I'll see you there.
All right, this is a little harder to see, especially when it's being videotaped. Hopefully this will describe it well enough you'll be able to get the most out of this exercise. So here I have a corner of my wall. I grabbed a bigger ball, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better. Place the ball on one side of the wall. I'm going to lower my trap onto the ball and my head goes past the wall. From here, I can let my arm relax. Even swaying side to side will help to release the trap. I can roll up and down and a little side to side. You can also move further back so the ball goes onto the neck. And again, you can go up and down or side to side. You can even just shake the head yes and no. When you find a spot that feels good, you can just pause and hold. See if you can breathe and soften and relax. And again, don't forget to do the other side.
If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. The corresponding blog post is in the description below. And want more ways to use yoga and yoga therapy techniques to better improve your life? Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.